What are the signs of an enlightened being? And this is, if happening with you, you're going to enlighten, and you're already in the process. If you look at the people like Krishnamurti, like Raman Maharshi, like Osho, Nisargadatta Maharaj, you will see they don't act from their ego. There is no me or I behind them. There is no concept or theory behind them. They act from their peace of mind. They act from their peace, not through some theories. That's why most of people don't relate with their talks, because most of the people are conditioned. They wanted to, confirm their bias. But you will see that all these people speak where there is no bias. And that's why some people get aggressive, and some people don't understand them. An enlightened being is clear from inside. He is no longer influenced by fear, anger, anxiety, stress. Although it happened with all the peoples, with all the enlightened people, because they are also human beings. They are not stones or rocks. They are too sensitive, and everything comes. They have every kind of influence, but they don't let themselves influence. So if you are not getting influence from your fear, anger, anxiety, stress, or there is no me behind you, you just act without any bias, with complete neutrality. It means you are in a process. All the enlightened people, they wanted to remain alone. If you see, Raman Maharshi used to remain alone in Arunachal Parvat. Krishnamurti used to spend most of his time in alone. He just come in a gathering whenever he has to speak. And if you see Osho, after the discourses, lock himself in a room. Nisargadatta Maharaj used to remain alone. So they don't want the company of people. They are complete in themselves. And here, the aloneness means not isolation or closed in a room and surrounded by thoughts. No, this is alone. Alone means all one. They even alone when they are gathered by people, when they are with the people. So if you seeing the shifting in you, you are getting alone even with the people. You feel alone. You don't react. It means you are going to enlighten. And enlightened people don't try to meditate. Meditation happens in them. They don't try to meditate. They just remain in meditation. If you are fed up with all the meditation techniques, and the meditation happens in you on its own, you become aware on its own, out of practice or habit, that means you are in also the process. It means all the hard work in a spirituality where you understood every concept, where you do many meditations and visited so many places, gathered so many experiences. It means you are in a process, and it happens suddenly. Suddenly you begin to feel all these kind of symptoms in your life. And all the enlightened masters, sometimes they get vision from their future. They don't want siddhis or supernatural powers, but during sleep or whenever they are in a deep meditation, they got some vision out of nowhere. They don't know the source, the glimpses of future, and that dream came not they thinking about that. No, they don't think. Just coming out of where any dream, and they see that something happened. And that's why, so many spiritual sages predicted their death, like Ramakrishna Paramahansa, Vivekananda. Even Osho predicted his death, he will die one day. Buddha predicted. So all the enlightened masters, if you see, they are in a state of unknown. It means they surrender themselves to the unknown, to the infinity, to the universe. They don't have any goal, they don't chase anything, they just remain where they are. If you are in a spiritual awakening, if you are in a process, these symptoms must align with you. And if you want to understand some basic concept of spirituality like meditation, awareness, present moment, observation, fear, suffering, you can join my spirituality course along with one guided meditation video. This spirituality course is enough for anyone who want to understand life. My WhatsApp number 9773529489 given in the description too. You can message there on WhatsApp and you can join this marvelous ultimate meditation and spirituality course. Thank you very much.